lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well and wonderful. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for coming in for another video today. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you clicking on this video and spending some time with me. And of course, as you can tell from the title of this video, this is a multi-channel Temu swap collaboration. And this started with Miss Faye Blatcher. And of course, if you've watched my channel, you will realize and you will know that Faye passed away in November. I am filming this video in December, but of course you are going to be seeing this video in January. So Happy New Year to all of you guys. And before Faye passed away, she put us into Team of Twos, and I got Miss Arleen Stevens, and she sent me a lovely gift box here from Temu. Again, it is a Temu swap collaboration, and I'm always happy to take part in collaboration when it comes to Miss Faye Blatcher. And as I'm talking about her today in this collaboration, I'm going to try not to get too emotional, but I think of her every single day, and she will be greatly missed. And I'm just going to show you guys what Miss Arleen has sent to me. So the first thing we're going to open up is this face and neck cream. And by the way, everything that Arleen sent me, it's all skincare. And of course, you guys know that this is a beauty and skincare channel. So everything we're going to be talking about today is skincare related. And I've seen this product on Temu, and I was always tempted to buy this product. This is from the Rozino brand. This is a VENOM face and neck care stick. And here it is right here. It is a lovely packaging, and it smells nice. It doesn't smell too bad. It has a lovely I would say like a honey kind of scent to it. And of course, this is for the face and neck. But I'm always iffy when it comes to skincare and things that I put on my face. So obviously, I'm going to be doing a patch test first before I use this product. And we will see how it works. And of course, I'm going to feedback to you guys. And by the way, Arleen sent a little hug, and this is a beautiful little heart. Hope you guys can see that. And it has like a little sticky background right there, so I can stick this in the back of my phone, on my house keys, on my wallet, or anything like that. It is just really cute. And I thank you so much, Miss Arleen, for sending that. The next thing we're going to talk about is, again, they're all from the same brand, again, from the Rozino VENOM brand. This is the face and neck cream. It says plant ingredients, moisturizing, hydrating, lift, and smooth. Well, that's a lot of claim for a product from Temu. So, of course, I opened it up already, and because everything was so difficult to open. And let me just try to get this out for you guys right here. It smells really nice. It smells like lemon, okay? Really, really nice so far, the way it smells. And I did put a little bit on my hands already, but it is very, very, very soft on the skin. I just might be very gingerly surprised with these products. You never know. Smells really nice. Again, it smells like lemon, but we'll see. And of course, this is a beautiful little packaging right here. Okay. So next I do have the joint. This is a joint gel cream. And of course, I do have some slight issues with my knees, but I know exactly what to do to control my pain. So I had to open this up a little bit first. And I'm really looking forward to putting this on my knees to see if there's going to be any difference when it comes to my joint pains. And I mean, you don't even have to have joint pains to use these things. Just use them every single day to prevent, you know, pain from your knees and joints or whatever. And let's see. It has a, oh my God. It smells really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. And again, this is a joint gel cream. And there we be. This is a lovely little packaging right here. And the last thing we're going to talk about is the moisturizing cream. It says exquisite, smooth, and moisturize. And here is the product right here. I think there's an issue with their cover because the top was so hard to open, and I was like, oh my God, because I don't like to be impatient with things, but this one really made me a little crazy. And so this is the moisturizing cream right here, and it smells really nice. It's very, very soft, and I can tell that it is moisturizing because you can tell that thick richness of a cream by the time you put it on your skin. Let me just see what's in it. It has water, honeybee, it says honeybee venom, turmeric, vitamin C, collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, aloe vera extract, glycerin, shea butter, and another word which I cannot pronounce. It just says after cleansing, apply appropriate amount of this product evenly on the skin, gently massaging until absorbed. So I'm very excited about this, and I will definitely come back and give you guys a feedback on these creams. Again, this is the moisturizing cream. I guess you can use this on your face, I guess. And this is the joint gel cream right here. This is a face and neck moisturizing stick. And this is the face and neck cream right here. And of course, the little hug card. So these are all the things that Miss Arleen sent to me in the Temu swap collab, and I do appreciate it. Thank you so much, Arleen, for sending me these. I'm going to be definitely trying these products out and see how they feel, if I like them or not, because I did see these products on the website and I was a little bit iffy about trying these products out because, like I said, I'm really fussy about things that I put on my face. And so I'm going to leave these products in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on one or two things or try one of these skincare products. I will definitely let you know. And so we are going to leave it here for now. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you spending this little time with me today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys. Have a happy new year, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Toodles!